Have you ever found yourself wondering how to make a woman miss you so deeply that she can't stop thinking about you when you're not around? Today we're going to explore powerful strategies that can help you build a profound emotional bond with a woman, making her yearn for your presence even more when you're apart. We'll delve into 7 effective methods, each backed by psychology and real-life experience, to guide you on this eye-opening journey. By understanding what women truly desire, you'll be able to make her miss you in ways that leave a lasting impact. 1. The art of creating space. In a world where constant communication is the norm, it can be tempting to always be available and eager to connect. However, one of the most effective ways to make a woman miss you is by mastering the art of creating space. Instead of always being there, consider stepping back and giving her some room to breathe. This isn't about playing games or manipulating emotions. It's about showing that you're independent, self-sufficient, and confident in your own skin. Creating space allows her to experience life without you, even if just for a little while. It's during these moments of absence that she'll start to realize how much she values your presence. When you're not always around, it can spark her imagination and make her wonder what you're up to. The mystery that arises from your absence can be incredibly alluring, making her long for the moments you share together. This sense of longing is a powerful force that can make her miss you more deeply than constant attention ever could. Furthermore, by not being readily available, you create a dynamic where she begins to appreciate your presence even more. This approach encourages her to value the time you do spend together, as it becomes something special rather than something she takes for granted. The art of creating space is not about distancing yourself emotionally, but about fostering a healthy balance that keeps the relationship vibrant and exciting. 2. Crafting your social media presence. In today's digital age, social media has become an extension of our identities. It's a tool that allows us to stay connected with others and showcase our lives in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. When it comes to making a woman miss you, your social media presence can play a crucial role. But it's not about posting every detail of your life. It's about crafting a persona that keeps her intrigued and interested. The key to using social media effectively is to strike the right balance. You want to share enough to keep her engaged, but not so much that there's nothing left to the imagination. Posting about your achievements, hobbies, and joyful moments allows her to see the highlights of your life. It's important to note that this isn't about bragging or showing off. It's about letting her see that you're living a fulfilling life that she might want to be a part of. When she sees glimpses of your life through social media, it can make her feel more connected to you, even when you're not together. For example, if you're passionate about a particular hobby or interest, sharing posts related to that can give her insight into what makes you tick. It also provides common ground for future conversations, making your interactions more meaningful. Additionally, by curating your social media presence, you can subtly remind her of your shared experiences. Posting a throwback photo from a fun day you spent together, or mentioning an inside joke can evoke memories that strengthen your bond. These small reminders can make her miss you and look forward to creating more memories together. 3. Mastering the art of subtlety. Subtlety is an art form, especially when it comes to romantic interactions. Women often communicate in nuanced ways, and understanding these cues can make all the difference in how you respond. When she makes indirect attempts to capture your attention, especially on social media, your reaction can either build her interest or diminish it. The secret lies in how you handle these interactions. Instead of overwhelming her with attention, respond with just enough interest to keep her curious. For instance, if she likes or comments on your posts, acknowledge it with a simple reply or a like in return, but don't go overboard. This approach leaves her wanting more and keeps the dynamic between you both intriguing. By mastering the art of subtlety, you allow her to gradually build her feelings toward you. This method of interaction creates a slow burn, where her interest intensifies over time rather than fizzles out quickly. It's like adding small pieces of kindling to a fire, allowing it to grow steadily and become more intense. Moreover, subtlety in your actions can also be a powerful tool. Instead of always initiating contact, let her reach out to you sometimes. This gives her the opportunity to express her interest, and when she does, it's a clear indication that she's thinking about you. The anticipation and slight uncertainty can make her more eager to connect with you on a deeper level. 4. Maintaining composure and intrigue. There's a certain allure in maintaining composure, especially when it comes to romantic pursuits. When a woman hints that she wants to get in touch or suggests spending time together, it's easy to get excited and respond with enthusiasm. However, keeping your cool and responding with calm confidence can actually work in your favor. Maintaining composure is about not rushing into things or appearing too eager. When she senses that you're not overly anxious to jump at every opportunity, it creates a sense of intrigue. She'll start to wonder what's going on in your mind and why you're not reacting the way most people might. This intrigue keeps her engaged and wanting to learn more about you. Additionally, by staying calm and collected, you convey that you're a person who is in control of your emotions. This is an attractive quality that can make her feel more secure in the relationship. It shows that you're not desperate for her attention, which in turn makes her more likely to seek it out. This approach also helps maintain a healthy balance in the relationship. When you're not constantly available or overly excited, it creates a dynamic where she feels motivated to put in effort as well. This mutual investment in the relationship strengthens the emotional bond and makes her more likely to miss you when you're not around. 5. Fostering healthy jealousy. Jealousy is often seen in a negative light, but when used in moderation, it can actually be a powerful tool in building attraction. The key is to foster a sense of healthy jealousy that keeps her on her toes without causing any harm to the relationship. One way to do this is by subtly mentioning other women in your life or tagging her in group photos that include female friends. The goal isn't to make her feel insecure or threatened, but to remind her that you're a person of value who is appreciated by others. When she sees that other women enjoy spending time with you, it can trigger a sense of competition and make her want to be the one who holds your attention. It's important to approach this tactic with caution. The intention is not to manipulate her emotions, but to highlight that you're a desirable person with a fulfilling social life. When done correctly, this can enhance the emotional connection between you two, as she'll feel more motivated to invest in the relationship and ensure that she remains your top priority. Additionally, fostering healthy jealousy can reignite the spark in a relationship that may have become too comfortable. It adds a layer of excitement and keeps her engaged, making her more likely to miss you when you're not together. Just remember to keep it subtle and always prioritize her feelings to avoid crossing any boundaries. 6. The power of a special nickname. Nicknames have a unique way of strengthening bonds and creating a sense of intimacy in relationships. When you give a woman a special nickname, it becomes something personal that only the two of you share. This nickname can evoke fond memories of your time together and reinforce the emotional connection between you. The key to choosing the right nickname is to make it something that resonates with her. It should be a term of endearment that reflects her personality, a shared joke, or a memorable moment you've experienced together. When she hears this nickname, it should bring a smile to her face and remind her of the bond you share. A nickname is more than just a cute label. It's a symbol of the closeness and affection between you. It's a way of showing that you see her in a unique light, different from how others might see her. This special touch can make her feel valued and cherished, which in turn makes her more likely to miss you when you're not around. 7. Becoming a source of knowledge. One of the most impactful ways to leave a lasting impression on a woman is by being a source of knowledge and inspiration. When you teach her something new, whether it's a skill, a fun fact, or valuable insight, you're adding value to her life. This not only deepens your emotional connection, but also positions you as someone she looks up to and admires. Sharing knowledge doesn't mean you have to be an expert in everything. It's about being curious, learning together, and offering insights that enrich her life. Whether it's introducing her to a new book, sharing an interesting documentary, or teaching her a practical skill, these experiences create lasting memories and strengthen your bond. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these tricks, or do you have other tips that have worked for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking for more relationship advice, be sure to check out my next video on how to keep the romance alive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.